I'm on my way to the airport. I am flying to London. So exciting for my first workshop there. It's going to be a 4-day workshop in the Linnean Society of London, which is amazing. The house itself, the Burlington House, is a historic place, and the society is a historic place, so we're going to have there an excursion. We will view archives of old artists' watercolor botanicals, and also we will have a whole day in Kew Garden for exploring, sketching, taking references. This is amazing. This is so amazing. So I'm taking you on this trip together. Hope you will enjoy. Thursday, and I'm here at Burlington House, where the Linnean Society has been based since 1857. Although this place is under a locked door, it is open to public visits, and this is something you should go for if you are in London. Our workshop is taking place in the Tower Room, the highest place with an amazing view. Before everyone starts to arrive, I am setting up, getting prepared, a little bit nervous but super excited. Everything is ready, tables are set up, and I will go and meet students and let the workshop begin. Thursday, we started with some basic practice to warm up, color mixing, sketching, and painting from real-life subjects. We had a library guided visit with 18th century botanical artists painting viewing. To see up so close old masters' work is an amazing experience with learning opportunities. Kew Garden, a place that is on so many people's travels top lists. Place which is rich in history, rich in plant variety, beautiful and full of inspiration, not just for artists. Our workshop was in perfect timing to be able to visit Orchid Show. Breathtaking. Have you ever seen Marian North Gallery? I think there's nothing like this in the world. Everything is covered with Marian's paintings from her travel in 19th century. So imagine a woman in that period of time traveled alone and painted, and painted some more. Then came back and financed a gallery in Kew Gardens for her own paintings. I admire her so much. When you are in London, you must visit Chinatown. And today we're going to musical Benjamin Button. So exciting. And here comes last day of botanical workshop here at the Linnean Society of Botanical Art. Whole day is ahead of us, but this was an amazing and incredible opportunity to paint and get in touch with like-minded people.